Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rachit Goyal. I am a consultant pediatric surgeon in Yashoda Hospital, Nehru so basically, I would like to share one of my patient. It's a baby of Aarti. This child presented to me in Mariam Hospital, and there it is a 3-day-old child who had a features of acute abdomen. So initially, when we saw the child, we thought it is a clear-cut case of some perforation peritonitis, and we evaluated him, and it turned out to be a acute abdomen, and there was a gross abdominal distension with the dilatation of the bowel. So we operated this child on day 6 of his life, and there we found that a very unusual presentation where there was a colon was perforated. So in a baby neonate with the perforation with no any previous comorbidities, where the child was a term baby, so we realized that there's some issues, there's something is going on wrong in this child. So we decided to shift the child to the Yashoda Hospital. Here in Yashoda Hospital, me, Dr. Sachin, he is a consultant in NICU, and Dr. Ashish Prakash, who is a HOD of our unit. So what we decided is we will evaluate this child little more, and then we came to a conclusion that child had some COVID antibodies positive. So when the COVID antibodies came out positive, we realized that it can be a case of MISM, which we all know it is a multisystem inflammatory syndrome in neonates. And then we cross-check our pathology and everything, and which turned out that this is actually a case of MISM. So we shifted this child to NICU. We took the good care of this child. Our nursing team is very good. Dr. Sachin and Dr. Ashish Prakash, they really worked hard in this child, and now the child is quite good, and he is on stoma. We have kept ileostomy, and the histopath report which we have sent, it turned out to be that there is no inflammation in the bowel, and his colon was non-inflammatory perforation, it turned out to be. So I would say that this is a very unusual case, and it is very rare case, which in a time of pandemic where we are dealing with the COVID-19, so we should take care of these things. We should always take a proper history in the patients and look after into the matter seriously, because we don't know how this COVID-19, this COVID virus going to affect our family and family members. And I would give you a very small impression that you should always check, and you should always see all the things, and you should always keep in your mind that there is a possibility of COVID in each and every case which you are dealing with. Thank you.